Small space, big impact. Designing unique corner flower beds. When it comes to landscape design, corner flower beds offer an exceptional opportunity to transform small spaces into vibrant gardens that leave a lasting impression. These compact yet impactful floral arrangements can showcase a diverse array of colorful flowers, creating a stunning visual display that enhances the overall aesthetics of your outdoor area. Imagine stepping into a garden where corner flower beds burst with life and color, featuring an exquisite mix of red flowers, yellow flowers, purple flowers, orange flowers, and pink flowers. Each hue adds its own character, creating a harmonious palette that draws the eye and elevates the surrounding environment. This dynamic combination not only attracts attention but also serves to uplift the mood of all who encounter it. Incorporating ornamental grasses into your corner flower beds can further enhance their appeal. These graceful plants provide texture and movement, softening the edges of your floral arrangements while adding an element of sophistication. Their subtle sway in the breeze complements the vivid colors of the flowers, creating an enchanting atmosphere that feels alive and inviting. To ensure a polished and cohesive look, consider using stone borders and brick edging to define your corner flower beds. These natural materials not only create a clear separation from the surrounding landscape, but also add a touch of elegance and permanence to your design. The combination of robust stone borders and classic brick edging can provide a striking contrast against the vibrant garden blooms, framing your corner flower beds beautifully and allowing the colorful flowers to take center stage. With thoughtful planning and design, even the smallest garden spaces can make a significant impact. Corner flower beds, with their rich tapestry of colorful flowers and ornamental grasses, can transform any corner of your yard into a captivating focal point. By utilizing stone borders and brick edging, you can achieve a professional and polished landscape design that showcases the full potential of your garden. Embrace the beauty of corner flower beds and watch as your small space becomes a vibrant oasis.